morning, guys. Today is Friday, I keep forgetting the date, February 2nd. And we just woke up. It's around 9 o'clock. We're about to go get breakfast. I'm just having a little coffee in the lobby of the hotel next to the fire because we woke up this morning and it was -7 degrees. It's so cold here. So I'm so glad that I brought my big jacket. We're all bundled up. But the good part about being where we are right now is that our hotel is attached to the Mall of America. So everything we're doing is at the mall. And all the events and things we need to do, and obviously stuff we can do during the day. They have so much restaurants, so much shopping. So it's good that it's all attached. So we don't really have to go outside too much. But it is freezing out, so it feels so nice to just sit next to this fire right now. And my mom's watching my video. I don't know if you can hear in the back, but she's watching the vlog I uploaded yesterday. But my outfit today is super casual, super me. I'm just wearing my Blank NYC leather jacket with this little Forever 21 crop top that I just got. $8, guys. Lulu Aligns and my Adidas Stan Smith. So, and I'm wearing minimal makeup today. I wasn't really feeling it, so I just put a little bit of bronzer on and highlighter, and I just want to be really natural and comfy because I know I'm gonna have to be wearing full makeup tonight. I didn't want to put full makeup on today. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now. Get on with the vlog, get on with the day.
Pretty much the same as yesterday.
And this is what I got for breakfast. I got a little kale salad and then 2 eggs over easy on top. That looks so good.
Killed it.
My mom got something similar, and look at those little cinnamon rolls that you got.
Oh, they're so
Those
adorable.
are so cute.
So cute.
Oh my god. Dating the vlog. I found this really cool bathroom, and I really like this mirror. I don't know why, and I like how the floors are white. It's just my aesthetic. But I was showing you guys my outfit, I think, a little bit earlier, Blank NYC thingy, and then I'm wearing this tank top from Forever 21. It's saved on my Dope profile if you guys want to go look. It's so amazing. It was $8, and it's a seamless black little cropped tank top with my lines. You guys know this is my go-to outfit, and it looks so cute and it's so comfortable. And then I'm just wearing my Adidas regular Stan Smith sneakers. And we've been walking around and shopping all day at the mall. This mall is huge. It's literally 3 floors. It's crazy. I haven't bought anything yet. I haven't really gotten the chance to really look. I've just kind of been taking everything in. We've been going to see a bunch of different things. It's been so much fun. So the day's not over yet. We still have so much to do. But right now, I need to get water because I'm really thirsty. Water, hydrate. Yeah. Ooh. And I gotta hydrate. That's so important because it's so cold here and so dry that I feel my skin's just gonna dry right out. But yeah, fixed my camera. I knew that I did something to the colors and stuff of it, and Spencer's gonna be so mad if he sees this. He's gonna be like, Maggie, I told you to adjust it every single time depending on what the lighting is where you are. So now I learned, and Spencer, I'm learning, so this is so much better than it was before. And yeah, I was saying, I just met Taylor Hill at the Mall of America, and she was so nice and so sweet, but I didn't want to whip out my vlog camera and start filming myself with her because I don't know, I just didn't want her to get all freaked out. But I'm waiting for my mom and Deej, and they're looking at the directory for the mall because this place is so huge that they literally have computers everywhere to show you where everything is, and then it gives you directions on how to get there and stuff. So what I was saying before, I wanna, what? Oh, my mom wants to go to Kiehl's, so I need lotion too. But priority is I need water. Wait, this is so cool. This is so cool. I want the floor in my bathroom to be like that and have my initials. Caught my attention. Oh. What the heck is this? Oh my god. See, I want one of these so bad. I want to look at what they have on the menu. You're kidding. Nike, and I'm obsessing over this jacket right now, and I really need it for the game. I love it, and this is the look that I'm going for. I want to wear something like this, girl. I want to wear those camo pants, but I want mine to be joggers. And then I want to wear like a cool pair of combat boots. But I love this jacket. I think that it's so dope. I love it. Zara right now, and I found these really cool boots. This is what they look like. They're so cool. I'll show you like close up. But they are like this black, like fake, obviously fake leather boots with these pearls, and they're just like studded and they're so cool. But look at the price tag. $119. Like, I cannot justify myself buying those. I know they're really cool and I like could wear cool outfits with them, but I just feel like I'm not gonna spend that much money on them right now. Like, I don't love them that much, and the quality of them, they're like really dingy. But I'm like annoyed because everyone else is like finding stuff to buy, and like I'm not finding anything, so I don't really know what to do. And I'm upset, but I guess it's just like not meant to be, and I really don't even need anything. So of course, like, I can't find my mom in the Mall of America. This place is so huge, and I don't know where she is, and I tried yelling, but she's not. Kristen! I don't know where she is. This is crazy. She's texting me. She said she was just at the entrance. No, you weren't. No, because I'm here. She's near Kiehl's. I don't know. Where is that place? My mom. But I've never actually been in like a NYX store. So I'm gonna get another lip gloss. Just because I'm running low. You guys always ask me which one's my favorite. I use Fortune Cookie, but honestly I don't even think they have it right now. You're kidding me. Oh, no, here it is. Why does it look weird? It looks really weird in the store. But I use Fortune Cookie, so I'm gonna get one. And then I also got a DM about which red lip gloss I use, and it's called Cherry Pie. I'll show you. So these are my two absolute favorite NYX lip glosses, Cherry Pie, and then I love Fortune Cookie, and I don't know why it like looks like this in this light, but it's a really good nude pink. My camera like doesn't want to focus right now, I don't know why, but I'm gonna get this because I definitely need another one. This is the best possible thing you could ever get from Starbucks. These Bare baked and crunchy coconut chips, they're so good. And then I got an almond milk cappuccino and a little butter croissant because I miss Kaylee so much, and her and I always get these. But this is what I'm having. I literally haven't eaten all day since breakfast, like what I showed you guys, and I'm so hungry. And dinner isn't until 6:30, and I've been shopping all day. I got so much stuff, and I cannot wait to show you guys. I have no words for the Mall of America. Literally none. Another day, another ride. And we're on our way to dinner. And we're stuck in a little bit of traffic right now, but everything should be fine.
It's right there with all the glass. Oh yeah, this is.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, we'll get around.
I can't wait to show you guys my outfit.
To the Capitol Grill.
So cool.
Yeah, the roof.
But I can't wait to show you guys my outfit because I really love it right now. I'm hoping that I get a good picture and that the aesthetic is good, because at the hotel we were so rushed like to get out, so I didn't really have much time to like take any pictures or anything. But I really like my outfit. I really like my makeup today. So if you guys like want to see a video on this makeup tutorial that I have, just give this video a thumbs up. So I'm at dinner at the Capitol Grill. I feel super weird vlogging because I'm like the youngest one here. Everyone's really old. But yeah, I'm having a Pinot Grigio, and then this little thing right there in the back is a little like mozzarella wrapped prosciutto thing appetizer that they got. It's like tomato mozzarella basil wrapped in prosciutto. And then Deej and I got some lobster bisque, and we're so excited. But yeah, I'm literally so excited to eat this. I haven't had lobster bisque in so long, so it's gonna be so good. Look at the lens. Thank you. It's my vlogging camera. Vlogging. What?
What?
You're now on the vlog. This is Deej. I'm gonna put your Instagram. I'll put it right here for you guys to follow. So everybody can follow your Instagram. But we've been having so much fun. We're excited. My mom wanted to be in the vlog. Hi. What do you have to say to the vlog?
Maggie has been such a huge help for me. It makes my life and work so much easier. Thanks, Maggie. Love you.
Yeah, that party. Yeah, you already know. But my lip gloss is completely off.
Mine's shipping.
Because I've been like okay, I got something different now when I got swordfish, and I usually get like salmon or tuna or something.
Things upside down. Just
And I got something different, and I'm so excited. This literally looks bomb. But and now we're just waiting for sides. I'm so hungry. Look how good that looks. That's what Deej got. It looks so good. Okay, now this is my outfit. My mom's like dilly-dallying in the bathroom meeting friends, but this is my outfit now that I finally have a full mirror. It's a jumpsuit, and it has like this little open front. Then I don't know if you can see the back. It just has like a little tie, and these open slits in the leg, which are amazing, and I'm wearing my favorite Target heels. You guys know I love them, but this romper or jumpsuit thingy was so cheap from Forever 21. That's like my new vibe right now. I love Forever 21. I just thought that you guys would really enjoy this because this outfit is so affordable. My shoes were like $20 and this thing is like $40. So all together, ballin' on a budget. This is like the hardest decision of my life. I don't know what to get. I don't know if I should get a cake or the creme brulee. This is like the decision of the night, and they're really waiting for me to order, so I don't know what to get. So Deej and I just found out really exciting news about tomorrow night. We're going to Deej. So what am I wearing?
Follow us. Great.
I know. We're going to be updating on the Snap, on Insta, everything, on the vlog, because we're going to JLo, baby.
Doctor,
I got a cappuccino, and now I'm waiting for my dessert. I'm literally going crazy. Holy shit, it's coming. I'm nervous. Literally, are you kidding me? Excuse me. Like, this looks so good. I'm done. I didn't know what to get, so I just got this, and it looks like a giant llama cake. Probably way better than the ones that I always eat from Domino's. But I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh, thank god she got the creme brulee because I wanted that. Yeah, she posted it of me. This is hilarious. We're getting margaritas now. Skinny margaritas. Is it the straw? I go. I'm done. I'm done. But yeah, we got skinny margaritas. My mom is at the bar talking to all these young kids right now, like talking me up. She's like, my daughter's a blogger, like all this stuff. And these are probably like, you're crazy. She tells her life story. She's like, I'm allergic to peach fuzz. I need an EpiPen. This person at dinner was like, oh, like, smell this. It's almond liqueur, blah, blah, blah. She's like, oh, almonds? No, 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 I wouldn't need my EpiPen for that. I'm like, someone claim. But literally, look at her over there. I'm gonna zoom. Look at my mom. Get it, girl.